Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with 2 quick checks. Make sure you're signed in as an administrator and your notebooks are backed up or synced to OneDrive. Once done, identify which OneNote you have, the Store app or the Office desktop version, because removal methods differ. Next, open Settings Apps and Features and search for OneNote. This gets you to the primary uninstall control. Act now. Select the app entry so you can choose Uninstall or follow the alternative removal path if the button is missing. If Settings offers an Uninstall button, click it and follow prompts. That's the simplest path. For the Store variant, open PowerShell as an administrator and run get apps package *OneNote all users remove apps package to remove the app package. This works because Store apps register per user. If OneNote is bundled with Office, go to Control Panel Programs and Features, or Settings Apps, select Microsoft Office, and choose Change, then uninstall the OneNote component or the entire suite as needed. Make sure you confirm prompts and wait for completion. After uninstall, remove residual folders under %local app data and %program files to avoid stray data, and then restart the PC to finalize changes. Make sure OneDrive still shows your notebooks so you can restore later. Signing back in verifies sync. If you still see OneNote or errors, run System File Checker and DISM to repair system components, or rerun PowerShell as an administrator. That usually clears stubborn Store packages. If problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.